The World Health Organization says coronavirus patients who recovered but later test positive for the disease are still expelling dead lung cells rather than getting a new infection. South Korean health officials reported more than 100 such cases in April, raising concerns that patients who recovered could become reinfected. Research shows people infected with the coronavirus build up antibodies starting a week or so after infection or the onset of symptoms. But experts say it is still not clear whether the body systematically builds up enough immunity to ward off a new attack by the virus. Meanwhile, lockdowns, crippled supply chains, and canceled vacations caused the Philippine economy to plunge in the first quarter of 2020. The Philippine Statistics Authority says gross domestic product or GDP for the first quarter contracted by 0.2%. The last time the economy contracted was 22 years ago in 1998 during the extreme El Nino and Asian financial crisis. A negative GDP growth indicates business closures and job losses due to weak economic activity. The government admits this is merely a glimpse of what's to come.
Containing the spread of the virus and saving hundreds of thousands of lives through the imposition of the ECQ has come at a great cost to the Philippine economy. Our economic growth is showing weaker performance compared to the past 2 decades. Even so, our priorities are clear: to protect lives and health of our people.
Chua says the government economic team is hoping for an immediate bounce once lockdown restrictions ease. The government aims to revive the economy by restarting infrastructure projects. The Philippines is bracing for a technical recession or at least 2 straight quarters of negative economic growth. Meanwhile, the Department of Social Welfare and Development says 5 million poor families excluded from the 18 million beneficiaries of the government's emergency subsidy program are waitlisted to receive aid. The included families are the ones who appealed with local social welfare offices and were found eligible for the program. As of Thursday, May 7, the coronavirus cases in the Philippines rise to 10,343. Death toll reaches 685 and total recoveries at 1,618.